Yeah. So, yeah, okay, we can start now.
Okay.
Yeah, hi, this is Pratima here. So, can you introduce yourself, please?
Yes, my name is Chand, and I
Okay.
live from Bokaro, Jharkhand,
Okay.
and I have completed graduation, and I am
Okay.
pursuing MCOM. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching video
Okay.
on YouTube.
Okay, great. So, like, how you came to know about my channel and how you decided to talk to me,
I
like,
I saw video on YouTube,
okay,
mm, and I commented, and you will reply me. You will reply me.
hmm,
Mm.
okay. So, I mean, how you decided to talk to me? Like, what was the purpose? What was the motive?
Just improve my English.
Okay,
Uh,
okay, yeah, fine, no problem. So, so here I'll ask you some questions. So, are you okay with that?
Yes, yes, I am okay.
Okay. So, do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
Okay, so can you just explain me what was your last trip and what are the things you did in that trip? So can you tell me all that?
My last trip, I when I went to when I went to Mumbai
Mm,
1 years ago,
mm.
and there were people a lot of funny
Sir,
and
uh, can you give me just 1 minute? My daughter is
O-
calling, so
okay, okay, you can
just
go
one
now.
minute. Right.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, I will wait now.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So please go on.
Last year I went to I went to Mumbai, and
Okay.
there were lots of facilities in Mumbai. People are
Okay.
supported to me,
Okay.
and there were different language like Maharashtriya, and
Okay.
I don't know Maharashtriya language, but people supported me.
Okay.
I went to work there,
Okay.
and there were visited place. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Fine. No problem. So I'm sure you must have seen so many other things.
Yes,
Yeah.
different. People.
So maybe you can just I just want to listen to you. So maybe just you can just explain details like what are the things you have seen and like what kind of food you had and what was the weather and like what how were the people. So maybe all that you can just tell me, explain me.
Okay, it was weather hot
Hmm.
every day hot day. Uh,
Yeah.
food items are delicious and spicy,
Okay.
and different types of places and temples. I went
Okay.
to go temples and visited seas.
Okay.
I enjoy the trip.
Okay. Good. Good. So yeah, I think you are a good speaker, I must say. But you know, like you are talking about something which happened in the past.
Okay, yes.
Yes. So you are talking about a trip which already like that
Done.
is right. So
Yes.
like when you talking about something which happened already happened,
Okay.
so we use second form, right?
Yes. Yes.
So for example, you said food were food are you use are, right? Are you getting?
Yes. Yes. Again, tell me.
So for example, you are talking something which happened already happened, right? So
Yes.
you have to use past tense.
Okay.
Like for example, I went there, I met with people, met is second
Yes.
form, right? I met
Yes.
with
Yes.
people,
It,
they were nice, and I had food, had, right? I had food because that is past. And I visited so many places, visited, that is past, right?
yes.
So
Yes.
like, when you are talking about something which happened, already happened, we use second form, we use past tense, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. Otherwise you are like, okay, so yeah, fine. Now we can talk anything.
Oh.
Yeah, just I wanted to listen to you, that's it. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. It's a beginning to me.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, like but you know, like in our schooling, our teachers, they teach us Hindi, then English we translate, right?
Translate.
So this is not the way they should have taught us. I think like because I had one English course, okay? So they taught me, if you are talking about something which happened in past, use past tense.
Yes.
And something which you are doing every day, like you eat food, you are doing every day, you use present tense.
Present
And
tense.
the things which you are going to do in the future, use future tense, like will, yeah. Yeah, so like it's very simple. Yeah, but we have to like just think carefully while speaking. So yeah, so I think you are doing great, but just take care about sentences. That's it.
I know tenses, but I will speak another person, so I forget the tense.
That happens. Because the thing
I
is
know all tense, future tense, past tense, present tense. I know all format, but
okay.
I talk to other person, I forget the tense. When I use the tense, I forget.
Yes, it happens because of less practice. We are all the time we are speaking our mother tongue, so that's why
Yes,
we are not very used to this language. So that's why it is happening. Yeah.
yes.
Okay. So yeah, do you want to ask any questions?
Where are you from?
So I'm from UP.
Uh, are you
Uh,
married?
yes, I'm married. I have a 4 years old daughter,
Oh,
and currently I'm like in Bangalore.
okay.
Yes, yes. Okay.
How,
So
just ma'am, how can I improve my English and day to day? Just tell me short.
okay, so just practice. Like no matter to whom you are asking, everybody will tell just practice. You know,
Oh,
but like there are English dubbed movies. For example, there are so many Hindi movies, okay, like Dhadkan and other movies. So these are Hindi movies. These movies has been dubbed in English,
on YouTube channel.
yeah, on YouTube channel.
Okay.
So watch those movies. And you like watch at least 3 4 movies and understand, like listen carefully each and every like sentence.
I watched subtitle short video on
No, no, no,
YouTube.
no, no, no. Don't watch that. I mean, that can be helpful, but like follow at least this one.
Okay.
Watch 3 movies and listen each and every sentence carefully.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
3 movies, you just comment me like how much you improve, because this will for sure help you a lot, because that's how I started.
Okay.
Hmm. So this will help you.
Dhadkan. Tell me name movie name.
Maybe you can just type on YouTube Hindi movies English dubbed. वो
Uh,
धड़कन English version, just type. So
Okay,
you
okay,
so many like once you will scroll, once you will search, you will get so many movies because
okay.
they have no Indian accent. So it's very easy to understand them because they speak like us. So it's
Yes.
very easy to understand. Yeah. So start from there. And after 3 4 months, tell me in the comment box that I was right or wrong.
Yes. Otherwise, you are right now.
Because that's how I started. Yeah.
Yes, you can improve English.
Yeah. 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 Okay. Okay. Chand. Nice name, by the way. I was just trying to read this name. I was like, what is this Chand Raja? I was trying to read this name. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's a great name. Like Chand means moon.
Yes, it's connected to moon.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. In Hindi we say Chand. In English we say moon. Yeah. Great.
Okay, ma'am.
Chand. Yeah. Okay. So it was nice talking to you. And do you have any other questions?
No, I don't have any question.
Okay, so just keep practicing and just, if possible, create environment around you, like with whom you can talk. And if nobody is there, maybe you can talk to yourself and watch these movies. These movies are going to help you a lot.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a
Yeah.
nice day.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.